devils don't come from hell beneath us. They come from the sky.
Superman v Batman trailer released at Comic-Con, and it's like Nerd New Year's Eve on Twitter. Hey everybody, I'm Patrick Jones and welcome to Buzz 60. Don't know what that was. People were pretty excited. Paul Romano tweeted, "I know epic is an overused word, but this is the definition of epic." Superhero Gags was thrilled to see it. Raz says he showed his 3-year-old who just responded with a simple, "Whoa." Lindsay Steele thinks after the trailer, everything else is second. The trailer may hint at the Joker with this shot of the Robin suit, but people on Twitter were happy someone cleaned it up so they could get a good look at it. Legolas Quinn tweeted a thank you, and Raphael B says it looks cool as hell. You could tell the trailer is really exciting because a tweet like Gil2K, who sent out that he's a Marvel guy, but if the trailer didn't get you pumped, surrender your nerd badge now, bringing everyone together. The most important tweet I saw is from Trivworks, who sent out a meme saying when your girlfriend makes you stop watching the Batman Superman trailer. Okay, step 1 is finish that trailer. Step 2, get the girlfriend out of the house and then lock the door. It's over. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.